You or your kids get hiccups all the time? If so, I found this on TikTok and it's amazing. The Hickaway straw. As this thing was made by a doctor and featured on Shark Tank. Got two settings, one for child and one for adult. All you've got to do is get a glass of water, stick this in the water, and suck on this thing as hard as you can 2 to 3 times continuously, and it takes away your hiccups almost every time. Which in my opinion is way more effective than just trying to hold your breath. I've tried both and this works better by far. So if you or your kids are dealing with hiccups constantly, this is a very affordable way to get rid of those hiccups quickly and effectively. I believe there's a flash sale right now for these things. Please take advantage of that on the TikTok shop by clicking the bag and seeing what's available to you.